Hello everyone, welcome to Vivid the Right Education. Today we are going to learn the new topic called as electricity part 1. In this topic we are going to cover about the definition of the electric current as well as how it is produced as well as some basic terminologies related to the electric current. So before going to this, we supposed to know what is the importance of this electric current, right? So in our day-to-day life we come across with the many things which is working completely on the basis of the electric current, like the fan, bulb, TV, radio, washing machine, refrigerator, TV, laptops and many other. All these are working only because of the electric current, right? Let's see that how it is working and what is the importance of electric current in our day-to-day life in detail. Okay, so for this we supposed to know the basic thing. Let's get into that. The charges. You know what is the charges? First and foremost thing, before going to the charges, you understand what is the matter. Matter is anything in our surrounding having a mass and occupy the space. We call it as matter. All this matter is made up of a small fundamental unit called as an atom. Okay, and this atom is consists of three charges called protons, neutrons and electrons. Protons are the positive charge, neutrons are the neutral charge and electrons are the negative charge. In this concept, when you are learning about the electricity, you are not studying about the protons as well as the neutron. You will be completely learning with the help of an electron. Why? Because this electron is a charge. The electron is a charge, which is a negative charge. When it is at one point, it is not producing anything, it is not bringing any changes. But when this charges is moving from one point to the another point, it produces some force in its surrounding. That force is nothing but the current. That force is nothing but the current. So basically the current is nothing but when these charges are moving from one point to the another point. Okay, so how can you determine or how can you denote the charges? The charges can be denoted with the letter Q and its SI unit is Coulomb. SI unit is Coulomb and it is denoted by the letter Q. You know what? When you are bringing the two same charges like positive charges and positive charges, it will not attract each other. It will not attract each other. Okay, suppose if you are bringing one positive charge and one negative charge, they attract each other. That is the special characteristics of these charges. Clear? So my question is, will all the substances will have these charges? Definitely not at all. Okay, there are only few substances which allow these charges to flow through them. Those substances, we call it as a conductor. The conductor or the substances which allow the charges to flow through that. Okay, for example, all the metals are conductor of electricity. Okay, and the substances which do not allow the electric current or the charges to pass through them, we call it as a insulator. For example, the rubber, oil, diamond, wood and many others are the examples of the insulator. Okay, so now let's get into the definition of the current. So the current is nothing but flow of charges. That's it. Okay, the current is nothing but flow of charges and it is respected with the time also. Okay, so flow of charges per unit time is nothing but the current. Okay, and this current is usually represented with the letter I. Okay, so don't remind or don't by heart the definition. Always keep the formulas for the current so that it will remind you very quickly. For the current, it is represented with the letter I, and what I said about the current is nothing but flow of charges per unit time. Correct? So I said you that the charge is represented with the letter Q, right? So Q by T, I is equal to Q by T is the formula for the current. So by this formula you can make a sentence by yourself. Current, I stands for the current, Q stands for the charges and T stands for the time. So current is nothing but flow of charges per unit time. I hope it's clear, right? And the SI unit of the current is ampere and that ampere is denoted with the letter A. You know what is this ampere? 1 ampere. 1 ampere is nothing but the amount of charges. Suppose I have some kind of charges here. I have some charges. All these charges moving from one point to the another point in 1 second. In 1 second, we call it as a 1 ampere. 1 ampere is nothing but the flow of charges per second is nothing but the ampere. I hope it's clear. Thank you.